Hello everyone, this is CR Applications, and in today's video, we will check on the heart of the drone that we had started 3D printing in the last video. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. It will be right here. But after 3D printing the heart of the drone, we will also proceed to 3D print the next parts, like the top and the propeller guards. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, we come here next morning to see what's all the prints. Let's go. This is gonna be this is a hole for the wire to come out. See, it came out pretty good. Let's take it out. Okay, took it out successfully. All in one piece. Looking pretty good. Let me clean this real quick, and let's print the rest. And what next? The heart of the drone, top 2.0, number 2. Go select that. Alright, so it's gonna heat up. Okay, so it started to print. Oh yeah, that's so cool. So we're gonna let this print. So now it's just a matter of 4 hours. That's gonna be at 1 p.m. by the time I'm going to be in class, and this is gonna be ready. Okay, so we can analyze this. So as you can see, these holes came out quite significantly better than the drone arms. So there's not going to be much that I have to do to fix them. Like for example over here, I refixed them. You can see to make some holes, just like because there was some imperfection. This right here is where the wires for the motors are going to come out from, all into the motor, which is going to be right here. So I'm going to wash this because we put some adhesive or some type of thing down here. So I'm going to wash it out to make sure it gets cleaned up and we don't get intoxicated or anything. Hey guys, so it is all washed up. I washed it with soap and I dried it with paper towels, so it should be friendly. Okay guys, so I did notice that it was printing this circle at the very end of the right, kind of weird. So I'm gonna go check, but I think there's an issue in the file itself. I'm not sure why. I might have to check on it though. Yeah, that is definitely not going good. That is not good. I'm gonna cancel it. Okay, I have cleaned this and put some more of this on there. So it should be clean and it should be good. This is the failed print, which I will analyze in a little bit. Not entirely sure what went down right here. Okay, so the new print has now started, so let's see how this one turns out. Yeah, I'm looking at it, and it seems like the walls over here are there, but over here, it's missing. So I think I didn't select that piece when I was exporting it. Not sure, I'm gonna have to do it again. But if it works, then we'll keep this. We'll see how it turns out. Okay guys, so we're here analyzing this. This is the top of the drone, and I had to cancel it because I saw that this was a failure. But as I'm seeing, it looks like this whole piece right here is just missing. Alright, let's see how this one is going. It did the exact same thing again. It's okay though. We're going to proceed and keep this regardless. Okay, so it failed. But I said I didn't care. However, I already pressed back. It says printer faults detected. Inspect the material feeding mechanism and consult the user manual. It's not letting me. Probably just gonna have to do the propeller guards at this point. Taking it off. Just gonna leave that like that. It's not letting me print it anymore. I'm gonna have to come back later. I'm gonna proceed and do the propeller guards. And let's see how this one turns out.
Okay guys, so I made it back to where we're printing the stuff, and it's also, the new propeller guard is done. I feel a little big, you know, my brother designed it. Hopefully it works well. Beautiful. We're gonna start printing another one as well.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep watching us make projects like these. See you next time.